Can zoning fix uneven temperatures? Yes, heating and cooling zoning can reduce uneven temperatures by controlling different areas separately, but it cannot repair problems such as poor insulation, leaking ducts, or an incorrectly sized system. Zoning divides your home into separate areas, often called zones, such as upstairs, downstairs, bedrooms, or living spaces. Each zone uses its own thermostat to measure the temperature in that area. Motorized dampers inside the ductwork open or close to send more conditioned air where it is needed. For example, the upstairs thermostat can request more cooling while the downstairs zone receives less air. This is especially helpful because warm air naturally rises, so upper floors often become hotter than lower floors. A useful fact is that zoning can sometimes reveal hidden duct problems, because closing dampers increases air pressure inside the remaining ducts. If the system is not designed for that pressure, it may become noisy, waste energy, or suffer damage. Before adding zoning, have a qualified heating and cooling professional check duct size, insulation, air leaks, system capacity, and thermostat placement. Also, keep interior doors open when the system requires shared air movement and track temperatures in each zone for several days before and after the work. One common mistake is assuming zoning will fix a room with missing insulation or a damaged duct, so inspect and repair the building and ductwork first. Another mistake is closing too many vents by hand, which can raise air pressure and strain the blower, so use properly designed dampers instead. A less obvious problem is placing a thermostat near sunlight, a kitchen, a draft, or an exterior door, so install it on an interior wall away from direct heat and cold air. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.